Today we are going to see how to make art journaling for beginners. So for beginners, you can take a thick paper book like this, or if you don't have a book, you can take two A4 size papers and stick one on top of the other like this using glue. So I have taken here two A4 size papers and stuck one on top of the other using glue. When you stick like this, you get a thick base to create your journal if you're using paper alone. If you are using book, then you can use it as the book. But when you're using paper, you stick two papers together so it gives a thick base when you turn over. So this is the base for the journal. And then what are all the items you're going to use to um, decorate your journal? You can take this paint colors you have at home and paint brush. You can use this, and then you can use various felt tip pens to decorate your journal. And a journal is something which we are going to do like random. So you can take any colors of felt pens, or you can take crayons of various shades to color on the base. So for example, you can use both your hands and color with crayons on a white paper like this. So you can randomly color with both your hands and create a random art like this. And then you can cut out a circle from here, and then you can stick it on your journal. So you can use crayons in this manner. They are very soft and you can use both your hands to color and then cut out a circle. So here you can see I have colored randomly and I've cut out a circle and stuck it on this paper. Next, what you can do is, if you have some thoughts coming, you can jot down whatever words that are coming to your mind randomly for about 5 minutes. You can listen to your favorite music when you're doing this, and then please jot down whatever words that come to your mind. It can be on any topic. You have to jot down those words for 5 minutes, and then you use a ballpoint pen and white A4 paper to jot down your words. And then if you have white paint, you can paint over the words, but make sure that the words are seen out and you don't cover the white paint completely all the words. And then you can cut out those words and stick it on your journal. And also, if you have magazines at your home that are lying down, you can take the magazines and you can choose words that will be suitable and that are coming to your mind. Like, for example, in my journal here, I have chosen words like good neighbors, make, make, good friends. So I have cut out random words from the magazine which I feel are appropriate for my journal, and I have stuck it here. So good neighbors make good friends is what I've cut out randomly from the magazine and stuck it here. And if you don't have a magazine, you can take any colored paper and then write out whatever your thoughts are on the paper and stick it to your journal like this. And then if you have some specific words to cut out from the journal, you can cut it out and stick it like this. And then you can cut out certain pictures which you think are appropriate for your journal from the magazine and stick it out like this. So you can see here I have stuck some plants and things which I randomly cut from the magazine, and then you can give a whole base of yellow paint I have given here. So you can see I have used brush paint and given a base of yellow paint. So this sort of art journaling can be a good step for beginners to choose and do for art journaling as an initial practice, and then you can build it on and do it on a book where you can turn the pages and you can do on every page. So today we have seen how to create art journaling for beginners using A4 paper and crayons, and we have used paint and felt tip pens, and then we have used magazine cutouts for words and pictures. So this way beginners can learn how to do art journaling.